that, today I'm partnering with Hiccapop and I'm so thankful they trusted me to unbox and feature their product. If you're in that stage where you're trying to help your toddler transition into their own bed, you already know how challenging that can be. We reached a point where we knew she needed her own sleep space, especially on nights when we all needed better rest. The goal wasn't to rush the process, but to find something that felt familiar, comfortable, and safe for her. We truly tried everything to help her sleep independently. Her own bedroom, sharing a room with her siblings, a toddler bed next to us, even moving her bed into her siblings' room. We gave each option time, but none of them really worked. Nothing felt right for her. This became such a game changer. This is the Hiccapop Inflatable Toddler Bed Deluxe in the color sage green, and it's not just for home use, it's especially perfect for travel. It's an on-the-go toddler bed that comes with everything you need: an electric pump, a carry bag, inflation and deflation connectors, nozzles, and extra patch and adhesive for peace of mind. Setup could not be easier. You simply attach the nozzle to the inflation connector, hold the pump against the inflation valve, plug the AC cord into an outlet, switch it on, and that's it. It took me less than 5 minutes to fully inflate the bed. What really makes this bed perfect for a family is how it supports consistency, especially when we travel. Every time we go somewhere and she gets tired, she always says, "I want to go home, I want my bed." And honestly, I get it. Now we can bring her bed with us, whether it's a hotel, a family trip, or an overnight stay, so she has a familiar place to sleep no matter where we are. This inflatable toddler travel bed has made bed transition easier, improved sleep for everyone, and helped us keep a consistent bedtime routine wherever we go. If you're a parent navigating toddler sleep transitions or traveling with young kids, this is absolutely worth checking out. You can find the link in the description below if you'd like to give it a try for your little one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, loungers.